This is Ikea. We're going to Ikea, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, what is this place? You can eat here, guys. Wait. Oh my god, they're staring at me. I don't know why, guys. Get it? Oh boy. Oh look, guys. They have bags for shopping here. Wow, it's beautiful, guys. Check out this Ikea. There's food in there to eat.
Those windows look like Amazon.
That's where you eat. Oh my god, look at this room. It's so me. Wait. People have... Oh, they're looking at us.
What's the deal? You can purchase this whole entire set if you want.
Yeah, you can purchase this whole entire set. Wow, it's beautiful. Look at the laptop. Oh yeah. Well, that's it.